You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or greater than 19. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 3/7 to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or greater than 19.